Get ready to discover 12 mind-blowing psychological facts that will change how you see yourself and others. In this video, we'll reveal strange and surprising quirks of the human mind that will leave you amazed. From how our brains handle information to the weirdness of social behavior. These insights will open your eyes and keep you hooked. Let's dive into the fascinating world of psychology and uncover the hidden forces shaping our thoughts and actions. Fact 1. The bystander effect. The bystander effect is a social psychological phenomenon where individuals are less likely to offer help to a victim when other people are present. A classic example is the tragic case of Kitty Genovese, who was attacked in New York City while numerous witnesses failed to intervene. This effect illustrates how group dynamics can lead to a diffusion of responsibility, where individuals assume someone else will take action. Psychological mechanisms such as social influence and fear of judgment play significant roles in this behavior. Understanding the bystander effect is crucial, as it sheds light on how we can encourage proactive responses in emergencies and foster a more compassionate society. Fact 2. The placebo effect. The placebo effect is a fascinating phenomenon where a person's belief in a treatment can lead to real physiological changes, even if the treatment has no therapeutic value. For instance, studies have shown that patients receiving sugar pills can experience significant pain relief or symptom improvement simply because they believe they are receiving effective medication. One notable example is a clinical trial for pain management, where participants reported reduced discomfort after taking a placebo. This effect highlights the powerful connection between the mind and body, suggesting that our thoughts and beliefs can significantly influence our health. Understanding the placebo effect opens new avenues for enhancing treatment outcomes and patient care. Fact 3. Cognitive dissonance. Cognitive dissonance is the mental discomfort experienced when a person holds two conflicting beliefs or engages in behavior that contradicts their values. For example, someone who values health but smokes may feel uneasy about their choices. This dissonance can lead to changes in beliefs or behaviors as individuals seek harmony. To resolve this discomfort, people often employ strategies such as rationalizing their actions, changing their beliefs, or minimizing the importance of the conflict. Understanding cognitive dissonance is crucial in decision-making as it influences how we justify our choices and adapt our beliefs to align with our actions, ultimately shaping our personal and social identities. Fact 4. The halo effect. The halo effect is a cognitive bias where our overall impression of a person influences how we perceive their specific traits. For instance, if someone is attractive, we might also assume they are intelligent or kind, even without evidence. This bias plays a significant role in everyday life, particularly in first impressions, which can shape our judgments about someone's abilities or character. In hiring processes, a candidate's charisma may overshadow their qualifications, leading to biased decisions. Similarly, in relationships, initial attraction can cloud our judgment about compatibility. Understanding the halo effect is essential, as it highlights the importance of objective evaluations in both personal and professional contexts. Fact 5. The Dunning-Kruger effect. The Dunning-Kruger effect is a cognitive bias where individuals with low ability in a specific area overestimate their competence. For example, a novice chess player might believe they can easily defeat experienced opponents, unaware of their own limitations. This overconfidence stems from a lack of knowledge, preventing them from accurately assessing their skills. The Dunning-Kruger effect is particularly relevant in education and the workplace, where individuals may take on tasks beyond their capabilities, leading to poor performance and decision-making. Recognizing this bias is crucial, as it encourages self-awareness and promotes a culture of continuous learning, ultimately enhancing personal and professional growth. Fact 6. The spotlight effect. The spotlight effect is the tendency to believe that others are paying more attention to us than they actually are. For instance, if you spill coffee on your shirt before a meeting, you might feel everyone is focused on your mistake, even though most people are likely unaware. This phenomenon contributes to heightened feelings of self-consciousness and social anxiety, as individuals often overestimate how much others notice their flaws or mistakes. The spotlight effect can hinder social interactions and diminish confidence, leading to avoidance of situations where one feels exposed. Understanding this bias can help individuals feel more at ease and improve their social experiences. Fact 7. The Zeigarnik effect. The Zeigarnik effect is a psychological phenomenon where people remember unfinished tasks better than completed ones. This effect was first observed by psychologist Zeigarnik, who noted that waiters could recall orders that were still open but forgot those that had been served. For example, if you start a project but leave it incomplete, the unfinished task lingers in your mind, prompting you to think about it more often. This effect has significant implications for productivity and motivation, as it suggests that breaking tasks into smaller, manageable parts can enhance focus and drive. By leveraging the Zeigarnik effect, individuals can boost their efficiency and task completion rates. Fact 8. The Barnum effect. The Barnum effect is a cognitive bias where individuals believe vague, general statements about personality are highly accurate for them personally. This phenomenon is often seen in horoscopes and personality tests, where broad descriptions can apply to a wide range of people. For example, a horoscope might say, "You have a great need for others to like and admire you," which resonates with many. People find these statements meaningful because they tend to focus on the parts that fit their experiences while ignoring the rest. Understanding the Barnum effect is crucial in psychology, as it highlights how easily we can be influenced by ambiguous information in self-assessment. Fact 9. The sunk cost fallacy. The sunk cost fallacy is a cognitive bias where individuals continue an endeavor due to previously invested resources, such as time, money, or effort, rather than evaluating the current situation. For example, someone might stay in a movie they dislike simply because they paid for the ticket, even though they would be happier leaving. This fallacy leads to irrational decision-making, as people often prioritize past investments over future benefits. In personal contexts, it can result in staying in unfulfilling relationships, while in professional settings, it may cause companies to persist with failing projects. Recognizing the sunk cost fallacy is essential for making more rational, forward-thinking decisions. Fact 10. The Pygmalion effect. The Pygmalion effect is a psychological phenomenon where higher expectations from others lead to improved performance in individuals. This effect is often observed in educational settings, where teachers who believe in their students' potential can inspire greater achievement. For example, a teacher who expects a student to excel may provide more encouragement and support, resulting in better academic outcomes. Similarly, in the workplace, managers who set high expectations can motivate employees to perform at their best. The Pygmalion effect highlights the power of belief and expectation, emphasizing its implications for motivation and leadership. By fostering a positive environment, leaders can significantly enhance performance and drive success. Fact 11. The false consensus effect. The false consensus effect is a cognitive bias where individuals overestimate the degree to which others share their beliefs, opinions, and behaviors. For example, if someone strongly supports a particular political view, they may assume that most people around them feel the same way, even when that's not true. This effect can lead to a skewed perception of social norms and create an echo chamber, reinforcing one's beliefs. The implications for social interactions and group dynamics are significant, as it can foster misunderstandings and conflict when differing opinions arise. Recognizing the false consensus effect is essential for promoting open dialogue and understanding diverse perspectives in any group setting. Fact 12. The mere exposure effect. The mere exposure effect is a psychological phenomenon where people tend to develop a preference for things simply because they are familiar with them. For example, in marketing, brands often use repetitive advertising to increase consumer familiarity, leading to a greater likelihood of purchase. This effect suggests that the more we are exposed to a product, song, or even a person, the more we tend to like it. Its implications extend to relationships and social behavior, as familiarity can foster comfort and attraction. Understanding the mere exposure effect can help individuals navigate social interactions and enhance their connections with others by embracing shared experiences. Thanks for watching. We covered 12 mind-bending psychological facts that reveal how our minds shape our actions. If you enjoyed this, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Also, check out my other videos on the channel. Take care, guys.